Fred Miller, No Sweat Public Speaking. Here are 3 tips about answering questions. Number 1, when someone asks you a question, answer it by looking them directly in the eye, finish your thought, move on to someone else, finish your thought, move on to someone else until you finish answering the question. If you just look at them and answer the question in its entirety, they may ask you another one. You may answer that, and they'll ask you another one, and you're in a conversation. Don't do that. Number 2, never throw the question out to the audience. You lose control. You don't know if they're going to give you the right answer. What if they do, but someone challenges it? Don't throw it out to the audience. And number 3, if you don't know the answer to a question, don't fake it. Say, I'm drawing a blank. See me afterwards and we'll figure it out. Use those 3 tips when answering questions, and I guarantee your next presentation will be absolutely, positively, no sweat.